Welcome to Techno Trend Zone, your go-to channel for the latest in tech leaks, reviews, and industry trends. Today, we're diving into some exciting news about Nothing's upcoming smartphones. While Nothing hasn't officially confirmed anything for March 4th just yet, leaks suggest we're looking at not just one, but two devices. The Nothing Phone 3A and the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. That's right, a 2-for-1 deal. Interestingly, the Plus variant that appeared in the previous lineup seems to have been scrapped entirely after just one generation. If Pro is simply the new name for Plus, that raises the question. Does it bring anything extra to the table, or is this just a marketing switch-up? We'll have to wait and see. Leaked design and display. Leaked images suggest the Nothing Phone 3A is currently hiding inside a thick protective case, likely to keep its final design under wraps. However, there's one major feature that even a case can't hide. Nothing is finally adding a third rear camera. This marks a significant change from the company's usual dual camera setup and could mean big things for mobile photography enthusiasts. From the leaks, here's what we know about the display specs. Size: 6.8-inch AMOLED panel. Resolution: Full HD+. Refresh rate: 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and fluid animations. Performance and processing power. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A will reportedly be powered by the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor. This chip is designed to offer a balance between power efficiency and performance, making it a solid choice for a mid-range smartphone. While it won't match flagship-level speeds, it should still handle daily tasks, gaming, and multitasking with ease. Camera system: the biggest upgrade. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting changes: the triple camera setup. If the leaks are accurate, here's what we can expect. Main camera: 50MP primary sensor for high-resolution shots and improved low-light performance. Ultra-wide camera: 8MP sensor to capture expansive landscapes and group shots. Telephoto camera: 50MP sensor with 2x optical zoom, making this the first Nothing phone to feature a dedicated telephoto lens. Front camera: 32MP selfie shooter, ensuring crisp and detailed self-portraits. With this setup, Nothing is stepping up its camera game significantly. The addition of a telephoto lens means better zoom capabilities, which is a welcomed feature for mobile photographers who want more versatility. Battery and charging. On the power side, we're looking at a 5000 mAh battery, which should provide all-day usage without breaking a sweat. Charging-wise, Nothing is offering 45W wired charging for fast top-ups. Wireless charging? Reports suggest it might not be included, but we'll have to wait for official confirmation. Glyph lights: what's new? The Nothing Phone's signature glyph lighting system on the back hasn't been fully revealed yet, but it's expected to remain a core design element. Whether it will bring new functionality or just continue to be an aesthetic highlight is something we're eager to find out. Love them or hate them, these LED strips set Nothing phones apart from the crowd. Software and storage options. Out of the box, both the Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro will run Nothing OS 3.1, based on Android 15. This means users will get the latest Android features, enhanced privacy controls, and smoother performance. 4 storage and RAM options. Nothing Phone 3A. Available in 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage configurations. Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Comes exclusively with 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage. No microSD card slot. Just like previous Nothing phones, expandable storage isn't an option here. Pricing and availability. While pricing details remain a mystery, it's safe to assume the Nothing Phone 3A will be cheaper than the Pro variant. Given Nothing's history, both devices should offer competitive pricing compared to rivals in the mid-range market. So, what exactly makes the Pro model Pro? That's the big question. We expect leaks to surface in the coming days, and when they do, we'll be covering them right here. That wraps up this breakdown of the upcoming Nothing Phone 3A and 3A Pro. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, thanks for watching Techno Trend Zone. Until next time, peace.